Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav has stressed the need to promote the tradition of wearing saris in all districts of Madhya Pradesh. While reviewing the Cottage and Village Industries Department in Bhopal, he said saris are not just clothing but a symbol of Indian culture and women's heritage. The Chief Minister suggested organizing creative events like sari walkathons in other districts inspired by a similar successful program in Indore. Such events can connect the younger generation with traditional attire in a modern way. Dr. Yadav also announced that a new Khadi Emporium will soon be opened in Ujjain to promote local textiles art, Khadi products and employment for artisans. Senior Congress leader Digvijay Singh surprised many by sharing an old photograph of Prime Minister Narendra Modi on social media platform X. The black and white picture shows PM Modi sitting at his feet of senior leaders during his early days in politics. Along with the image, Digvijay Singh praised the organizational strength of the RSS and BJP. He wrote that the picture reflects how a simple worker trained by the organization rose to become a chief minister and later the Prime Minister of India. Known as the strong critics of BJP and RSS, Digvijay Singh's appreciative tone has created buzz in political circles and sparked widespread debate. After a recent incident in Ashta that created tension in the area, the national president of Karni Sena has appealed for peace and restraint. Karni Sena leader Jeevan Singh Sherpur urged people not to take the law into their own hands under any circumstances. He said that the administration and police are fully active and taking the matter seriously. According to him, the investigation may take time, but the guilty will not be spared. He also requested youth and supporters to stay away from rumors and cooperate with the administration. Emphasizing harmony, he said maintaining peace and brotherhood is the top priority to ensure a fair investigation and justice. The Madhya Pradesh government is taking major steps to give Khadi and cottage industries a new identity. Khadi Products Shopping Mall will be opened across the state to promote traditional industries. Cottage and Village Industries Minister Dilip Jaiswal shared detail of these plans during a press conference. He said an ultra-modern Khadi shopping mall is being constructed at Chittor complex in Bhopal. Similar projects are also underway in other cities for different products. The minister added that budget have been allocated to promote the silk industry. Schemes are also running for pottery, handloom and handicrafts, providing grants to weavers and artisans to strengthen self-employment. Former Madhya Pradesh Minister Deepak Joshi is once again in the spotlight, but this time for personal reason. A woman named Pallavi Raj Saxena shared pictures of Haldi and Mehndi ceremonies with Joshi on social media, claiming that they are married. This created a stir in political circle, taking a dig at the situation. Congress leader and former media in charge Mukesh Nayak joked that the party already lacked workers and now one more was lost. Pallavi Raj Saxena was earlier a Congress state secretary. Deepak Joshi had joined Congress after leaving BJP in 2023 and later returned to BJP. The BJP has currently distanced itself from the controversy. A major political development has emerged in the Madhya Pradesh Congress amid controversy over the Talent Hunt Committee. State Congress Media Department President and former Minister Mukesh Nayak has resigned from his post. He sent his resignation to the State Congress President Chitu Patwari, saying that new people should be given opportunities. While the resignation is being described as voluntary, political observers believe it is linked to internal factionalism and disagreement over the Talent Hunt Committee. The move has intensified discussion about organizational unity within the party. The Congress leadership is yet to take a final decision on the resignation, but the development has added to the ongoing internal challenges. Bhopal is set to witness a historic and spiritual event connected to the Somnath Jyotirlinga on January 4, 2026. A special Rudra Puja and collective darshan will be organized at the open-air stage of Ravind Bhavan. The event is being jointly organized by Art of Living and Bhopal Utsav Mela. Sacred fragments of the Somnath Jyotirlinga preserved for nearly 1000 years will be displayed. These rare relics were protected by temple priests during the 1026 AD invasion and are now under the protection of Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav and other dignitaries are expected to attend this grand program. Weather in Madhya Pradesh remains dry and cold as winter tightens its grip over the state. Many districts are experiencing chilly mornings and nights, while daytime temperatures are slightly comfortable due to sunlight. Cities like Bhopal, Indore, Gwalior, Ujjain and Jabalpur have seen a drop in minimum temperatures, making people feel more cold during early hours. Light fog has been reported in some areas during the morning, especially near rivers and open fields. Weather experts say there is no major rain system active right now, so dry conditions will continue. Cold winds from the north may further lower night temperatures. People are advised to wear warm clothes and take care of children and elderly persons.